These are the important MCQs from the chapter Biomolecules. 1. Which of the following are not polymeric? Option A protein, B lipids, C polysaccharides, D nucleic acid. Option B lipids. 2. A non-proteinaceous enzyme is A lysozyme, B ribozyme, C ligase, D deoxyribonuclease. Answer is option B ribozyme. Which of the following is least likely to be involved in stabilizing the three-dimensional folding of most proteins? Option A hydrogen bond, B electrostatic interaction, C hydrophobic interaction, D ester bonds. Option D ester bonds. 4. Which of the following biomolecules does have phosphodiester bond? Option A amino acids in a polypeptide, B nucleic acids in a nucleotide, fatty acids in a diglyceride, monosaccharides in a polysaccharide. Answer is option B nucleic acid in a nucleotide. Which of the following is non-reducing carbohydrate? Option A maltose, B sucrose, lactose, ribose 5-phosphate. Answer is option B sucrose. Last one. The essential chemical components of many coenzymes are Option A carbohydrates, B vitamins, C proteins, D nucleic acid. Answer is option B vitamins.